Alright everybody, we're back out here with my Hobao. We're going to try a dusk run. I did some stupid things under the hood, so we'll see how this goes. I'm not moving it. Okay, close enough. All seems quiet.
Mm-hmm.
Oops.
Steering range 2.
Alright, we got traffic coming, so let's just bring it in and see what that little blip was. Alright. $80 mph. Alright. That's pretty cool, but it's not fast enough. It's, let the traffic go by. Okay. Let's see. Okay, zero back out. Alright, let's try this again. One more time. Just one more pass. The infamous.
Don't say it that way.
It's fine. Okay. Alright, let's try it. Let's bring it in. See how we did. Once she gets going, she's good. Planted. Traffic go by. Okay, let's see what we did. And read 83. All right, we're back at 83. And then what we had, we made runs when we didn't put them up, remember?
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, 83. I guess that's what we're getting on what we got in there. I don't think it's gonna go too much faster than that. We would need less spur gear now. we're on stock spur gear. We can show everybody what we got going in there. The sketchiness. Alright guys, 83 mile an hour of sketchiness. So, 6S Turnigy pack. Okay, there you go. See, it's already got tore up once. Look at that cool shit. Dangerous as heck. 100C, 6S pack. Then we got the Castle 717 held in there with one screw in the mount and a 32 tooth pinion on the stock 48 tooth spur gear. And that's what we got. And the Max 8, I mean, that could probably be upgraded. I could throw the Castle in there and do a little bit better, but 83. Okay, well, I don't really know what to do next other than upgrade the ESC, but there's not a lot of room for battery in these buggies. Maybe we just call that good. Alright guys, well, hope you dig the runs. See ya.
RC speed, running with no speed.